Welcome back. We are now going to look at the home menu, and in particular, we're going to look at the slide submenu. Now, one of the things that Microsoft PowerPoint allows you to do is to insert a new slide someplace inside of your PowerPoint presentation. Now, when you insert a slide, what you'll want to do is you'll want to place your cursor exactly where you want the slide to go. So if you want the slide to go between the first and second slide, or the second and third slide, you'll need to place your cursor where you want the insert to happen. Then you'll need to click this new slide button, and that will place the new slide where your cursor was. So we'll click this link. And in particular, one of the things that we can do is we can determine how the new slide is going to be laid out. So when we click this new slide, you'll notice that there's a drop-down menu. We can click the edge of that menu where the little triangle is. You'll notice that you have 8 different layouts. So for example, if we want to place a title slide in that area, we have a title slide where we can write in a title and a subtitle. You'll notice that we can drop in a title and content slide, which is the typical slide that you'll be working with. You'll notice that you can drop in a section header where you have a title and a subtitle. You can drop in a to content box so that you can have 2 different boxes of content. Now, one of the more interesting things that you can do is you can create content by going to the new slide button. And you'll notice here that you can go and click this link that says Slides from Outline. What this will do is this will open up a dialog box where you can look at a Microsoft Word document that you have already created an outline with to bring that content into your Microsoft PowerPoint document. And you can create this outline by going to any Microsoft Word document, going to the View command, clicking on the outline, and then making sure that your outline appears according to the format in the document, meaning that you'll want to make sure that the points that you want to appear in a slide, you'll want them to be lined up with one of the bullet points. For example, if we hit the backspace here and we were to bring some of the documents and lines into an outline form, Microsoft PowerPoint will pull these items into a PowerPoint slide. And you'll see that by going to the new slide command, going to Slides from Outline, grabbing this document, clicking Insert, and then you'll see the content come into your PowerPoint slide. Now, there is a more detailed process that we will cover in a separate video to help you to be able to properly bring this content into your PowerPoint slide. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.